Mas pinatibay na Chris Bernal ang haharap ngayon, lalo na't dalawang malalakas na leader din ang kanyang makakasangga.
Yung grupo ko, maraming nanalong leaders sa amin.
Ligang
Mas gamay na raw nila kasi ang isa't isa, at the same time, nag-grow na rin sila individually as a performer.
Eto na sina Alger, Luis, Alden, LJ, Sam, Enzo, Diva, Jonalyn, Chris, Lawrence, Yazzie, and team leader Chris Bernal. We give you Ligang I Like!
Sa muling pagsasama-sama ng original team members ng Ligang I Like, mas lumakas daw ngayon ang kanilang puwersa.
2 wins, 2 wins. So, 2 wins dati. Ngayon, 4 wins!
Sa tema ngayong linggo na buwis buhay, kakayanin bang ipanalo ng leader nilang si Chris Bernal ang kanilang grupo?
Nahirapan kaming lahat, pero thankful ako kasi sobrang cooperative ng mga members ko. May bagong member ang Ligang I Like at siya si...
I'm happy I'm in the winning team now!
May emosyon, may drama yung sayo na.
Tabangan niyo tong buwis buhay namin ni Chris dahil first time talaga namin itong gagawin.
Meron akong gagawin na kabubuwis talaga ng buhay ni Jonalyn. Sabihin mo.
Parang natakot naman ako na. Performance to the max ang gagawin ng Ligang I
I spend all my money, bought a big old fancy car for these wide-eyed honeys. Yeah, you know just who you are. All these songs seem so wrong, but I live them all night long, all night long. Yeah, you young wild girls, you be the best of me. Yeah, you young wild girls, you be the death of me, the death of me. Yeah, you young wild girl, you be the death of me, death of me.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some muffin at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, rain,
Never had much faith in love or miracles. Never wanna put my heart on the line. Yeah, your love takes me to paradise. Yeah, your love takes me to paradise, and it shows. Yeah, 'cause you make me feel like Oh yeah, come on. Well, looky here, yeah. What do we have? Another pretty thing buried for me to grab. A little does she know that I'm a look and she's holding, but at the end of the day, give me her that I'm holding. Hey, that's what you say. Tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, this is what I'll say. Run away, baby. Before I put my spot on you. Better get away, darling. 'Cause everything you heard is true. You're pulling my heart, but you're not alone. No time I'm growing so you better run away, baby. You better run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling. Everything you heard is true. You're pulling my heart, you're not alone. No time I'm going so you better run away, baby.
And there you have it, ang buwis buhay number ng Ligang I Like with the PIA and our cellist Glenn Aquias and Miguel Abilianosa. Judges, Jano, Sir Jano, Miss Jaya, ano po ang komento sa kanilang very challenging
Art,
number?
pwedeng mag-tig one word muna kaming mga judges.
Sure.
Umpisahan mo, Miss Pops.
Impressed. That's my word.
Ako, I'm overwhelmed. Overwhelmed.
I'm overweight. Yes, but...
Ganon.
Hindi, perfect.
It's a great opening.
Ano tingin nyo? Perfect. Walang mali.
Yes.
Malinis. Ang galing. Grabe energy.
It's a great first group
Yes.
to open today's show. Nagulat ako, wala palang buto tong mga to. Grabe.
Hindi, tsaka ang galing, meron kang boy tad-tad, may
Yes.
boy akyat,
Sino si Boy Tad-Tad?
si Alden.
tinatad,
Si ano?
di ba?
Si
Oo,
Alden.
hinati.
Si Alden. Boy akyat, marami. So,
Uy, mahirap
walang
yun, ha?
harness yan. So, medyo...
Mahirap yung nakabitin ka, tapos kumakanta ka, nakahiga ka, kumakanta ka.
Hindi, si Jonalyn nga kumakanta. Nakahati katawan.
Kaya nga eh.
Correct.
Paglabas, iba na yung
Manananggal pala.
correct. May lahi
Galing.
pala. No, very, very great.
Mahihirapan yung mga next group. Mahihirapan.
Full of energy and great songs. At yun na nga, walang mga buto. Thank you.